I am Vijay Kumar, second BBA from KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today I will talk about financial service. The topic name leasing contents, meaning of leasing, types of leasing, characteristics of leasing, meaning of factoring, functions of factoring. Meaning of leasing. Leasing is an arrangement through which the owner of the asset transfers the right of usage of the asset to the user in return for lease rentals. The lease gets the right to use the asset for a specific period of time. Types of leasing: full payout lease, net lease, upgrade lease, closed ended lease, open ended lease, direct lease, capital lease, cross border lease. Types of leasing: full payout lease, a lease in which the lessor recovers through the lease payments all costs incurred in the lease plus an acceptable rate of return. Net lease, a lease wherein payments to the lessor do not include insurance and maintenance, which are paid separated by the lessee. Closed-ended lease. In a closed-ended lease, the equipment is returned to the lessor at the end of the lease period. Open-ended lease. The lease has the option to purchase the leased asset from the lessor at the end of lease period. Upgrade lease. It protects the lessee against the risk of obsolescence. The leasing company undertake to replace outdated equipment with modern ones. The lessee is benefited because he gets to use latest equipment. Factoring meaning. Factors provide credit or advance against the receivable of the client. They maintain the sales ledger of the client and collect their receivables. They provide periodic report to the clients on the collection made and the outstanding receivables from each customer. Functions of factoring: providing finance against receivables, credit advice, administration of sales ledger, collection of receivables, risk protection, credit management, advisory services, consultancy services. Functions of factoring: providing finance against receivables. A factor buys the receivables of his client and gives about 18% of the value of receivables as advance to him. A major portion of the funds lying in receivables is made available to the client for carrying on its business. Credit advice: the firm collects information about the credit worthiness of buyer. The client firm is given advice regarding whether credit can be extended to a client, the period of credit and the amount of credit. Administration of sales ledger: the factor maintains the sale ledger of clients. In case of credit sales, a copy of the sale invoice is given to the factor. Collection of receivables: the factor undertakes the responsibility of collecting the receivables of the client. The client saves the time, cost and efforts involved in collection of receivables. Risk protection: in factoring without resource, the risk of bad debts is borne by the factor. The factor protects clients from the risk of defaults and bad debts. Credit management: the factor fixes credit limits for each customer. In consultation with the client, it suggests the best credit and collection policies for the client firm. It helps the client in efficient credit management. Advisory services: the factor is a specialized institution for managing account receivables. It possesses extensive credit information about the credit worthiness of customers. This enables it to provide advisory services to the client. Consultancy services: factory institutions have a wealth of knowledge and experience. They can provide consultancy services to the client in different functional areas. They can advise clients on improving efficiencies. Thank you.